Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2016 Ford Focus. Now of course you do have your partial LED daytime running lights, you have 4 automatic headlights, then you also have these brilliant silver alloy wheels, which of course are a 17-inch alloy, and I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and the condition. Coming round to the rear now, as you can see, you've got your rear parking sensors as well. Then into the tailgate, we've got plenty of room in here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats. Coming back out and around, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we have full cloth black interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've got full electric windows all round, and then coming into the front, we then have your 6-speed manual gearbox. We've got dual climate control in the front. You've then also got your audio controls in the middle. We've got satellite navigation built in here as well. We've then also got your various media sources. So you've got AM, FM, DAB, CD, USB, Bluetooth audio and your SD card. You then get your climate control settings as well. And I'm fairly certain you also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay built into this display. You've then got your onboard computer controls on the left, speed limiter and cruise control just down below. We've then also got volume, track select, Bluetooth, hands-free and voice assistant on the right. And as you can see, this Focus has done 80,646 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Ford Focus, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.